What it do, what's up YouTube, it's your girl DeSiree, and I'm back on the cam with another video. And as you can see by that title, your girl is finally doing the last haul that I promised you guys. And today, this one, I'm gonna go ahead at Shein and ROMWE because, you know, they both basically the same thing. I did only use this app, which is the ROMWE app, but this first item on top says Shein. So we're gonna do Shein and ROMWE, but we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, okay? First thing I wanna say is, I had 30 items in this order, 30. And they put it in this little bitty box. Like, I opened it because I saw how crammed it was when it got here. And it literally rose up to the top. Like, all the air, I don't know, and it rose up to the top. So, this is where the box closes. And all this was, I do not know how, pushed all the way in here. Closed up. Like, yeah, I need to get bigger boxes. Shein, ROMWE, whatever. But let's go ahead and get right into this video. And we just gonna, today I'm actually not gonna try on the jewelry, but I am gonna show you guys the jewelry. So this one is a chunky chain, a 3-piece set or 2-piece set. It was ordered on ROMWE, but it says Shein, so I have the butterfly one. And then this chain. Next, I have some orange basketball earrings, or let me take these off. I got some basketball earrings. And some next, just some regular stud earrings, like what I got on now. Regular stud earrings. I'm gonna take the mic out for this video, so I'm gonna talk a little louder, because it's just too much when I do Shein, when I do hauls. But the first item I got is this right here. And I'm just gonna try it on. And I got this in a size large. I'm gonna rate these a 6 out of 10. They're cute. They're comfy, but they are too big. It is a large, so I maybe should have went to a medium. I don't mind that they're too long. I could just wear them rise and no one would know, but I could have went a smaller size. Next, we have a large in a long sleeve sweater dress. This one I'm gonna give an 8 out of 10. It's the material that I wanted. It's the length, it's the size. It's not too above the knee, but close to the knee. I really like this one. Next, we have this one. Actually says ROMWE. This one is perfect, exactly what I was going for. I got this in a large, and it's the perfect size. The colors look just like the site, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. My head is big and this hat fits, so this is a nice size hat. Let's get into the next. These are large in some gray Jogger sweatpants. These are nice, they fit perfect. The material is very thick. The color is amazing, looks just like the site. And I rate these a 9.5 out of 10. I really like these. Let's go. I bought some leggings. Not gonna try these on, but you get those. And I bought a 3-pack of headbands. The black ones were in the last video. Go and check that out. Next is this. These are very cute, bigger than what I was expecting, or longer than what I was expecting. The size is okay. I give these a 6 out of 10 just because this didn't come attached, or however it's supposed to be. I really don't remember because this package took longer than expected. Let's go to the next item. Next I have a large, and it's supposed to be a sweater. Personally, this sweater's too big for me, with some jeans and some boots, something basic, but I like it. It's very thick, which is what I was going for, but I didn't know it was gonna be this big, but I like it. The colors are that fall vibe. I'm feeling it's that fall vibe. Like the colors. I'm gonna rate this one an 8 out of 10 because the thickness is nice. The colors match the picture. It's just too big. But other than that, I like it. This is next. This hoodie is very much what I was going for, which is an oversized look. I actually have some Vans, this exact color that I will wear these with. I really like this one. It's thick, it's thin thick. It's like not too thick, not too cool. Very much Texas winter type of hoodie. But I like it. Next we have, the hood is big and my head is big, so I like that. Next we have this. This is so cute. Look at it. Push it over. So cute. I know purple is my favorite color, so I'm really loving this. Hold on. Probably not with this, but it's cute. Next we have the basketball shirt. See, they had it all squished in there. That is so rude. That is poor. That is just like, what kind of customer service is this? If people spend a lot of money with you, y'all should. No, because now my basketball are crumbled up and stuff. Like, I don't want to take pictures of the crumbled up basketball. It's stinking there. It's cute though. I mean, is this ever gonna fix? Look at this. Look at my ball. I guess if I zip it up, let me see. Oh no, baby. My ball looks raggedy. It's a nice quality for the price. It's not too cheap. I mean, it's just a cheap purse, but it's not like super thin material. But they didn't have to put my stuff in there like that. I rate this one. It would be a 10 out of 10, but since it's bent, and I'm not sure if the shape's gonna come back, it's like a 6. I don't know if I rated this one or not, but it's a 10 out of 10. Next we have and I ordered this in an extra large. Look better on the website, way better. But it's not bad. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. The material is what it looks just like it, but it's not what I was going for. But I can't be mad at them for that. So I got 3 of those because it was cheaper to buy 3 than just buy 1. Next, I have a Scrunchie Headband Duo. I mean a Scrunchie Mask Duo. So the Scrunchie and mask match. Cute. I rate that a 10 out of 10. Simple. They couldn't get that wrong. That was simple. I have the same purse, but in black. Also a 10 out of 10. It's not so squished as the basketball purse, but it is a little squished. It's nice though. Next, I ordered another 2001 necklace on accident, but hey, I opened this one because it looks broken. I'm not gonna say it's broken just yet, just because this little piece looks like it goes in this. So we're gonna see. But right now, this is a 1 out of 10 because why am I should be putting my own bracelet together or necklace or whatever this was. This one is cute. I really love this one. This one is like a 10 out of 10. Hold on. I'm liking this one. This is a t-shirt dress and I'm feeling the vibes. I'm feeling the vibes. With my jewelry on. Yes. Next we have this accessory right here. Hold on. Yes, this is cute. I mean, tighten it just a little bit. This is cute. I don't know if I would wear it with this dress, but this is cute. It's different. It's a different cute. My phone can go in there. My AirPods, some money. I would probably wear this with a long sleeve. Next, I got some earrings. There's different kinds. Next, I got this. This is an extra large. Which is too much going on. I like it. It's not bad. It's not bad. 7 out of 10. I'm liking it. Let's not play. Don't play with her. She is not one of them. I don't really know. I like it though. Probably a 8 out of 10. The material seems like I'm gonna be cold, but I don't mind. I don't mind. I have a lock earrings and a Pisces necklace, which is my zodiac sign. I have 2 items left. This don't go with this, but these are the last 2 items. A hoodie and some tights, some leggings. And that's the end of that. Oof. This haul is not I'm not as proud as these items as I was of the other items here, but these items I'm not as proud as I was of other items. This shipping took longer even though I ordered it earlier. It's my size choices because I always go up a size when I order online, and maybe I shouldn't always do that, but sometimes it works like this, sometimes it doesn't. But hey, I'm still gonna wear it. Well, I'm still gonna wear it, but the jewelry is always great, amazing for the price. I am very upset about my basketball purse, which is literally the only purse that I was looking forward to, because it's pink, it's a basketball, and it's just different and cute. But stay ready, stay looking for the looks that is coming on my Instagram. Follow all my social medias, they'll be on the screen and in the description down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys very, very, very much. I've been gone and I came back and y'all are still showing me love on almost all my videos. Make sure you go watch my previous videos if you haven't already. And I'm out. Thank you guys. Peace. Bye.